talk about Toshi token, base meme coin. Talked about it a couple times now on the channel. Zoom out on the chart, right? Or let's go to the 1 day. Up 4.5% over the last day, 7 days, down around 6.37%. Last month at 47%, and over the last year, 530%. It soared back at the end of January, about a month ago from today. It was at a 607 million market cap at one point. This was shortly after the Coinbase listing. Now, Toshi token did very well off the Coinbase listing, which is not always the case for a lot of tokens, and it doesn't necessarily have to correlate to Toshi being on the base chain, but I think it maybe plays a role a little bit as far as how quickly Toshi was able to get Coinbase listing. We look at the base scan here, 544,000 holders, which again, just crazy amount of holders for Toshi in a very short amount of time. Again, like I said, Toshi's sitting on top of base, very bullish on base chain as a whole, as a chain, and then bullish on the coins that sit on base, and then obviously bullish on the meme coins that sit on base. Toshi currently second largest market cap on Coinbase, or on base meme coins, at sitting at 277 million. We've seen Brett do very, very well over the last 7 days or so. And again, hopefully we are seeing a little bit of a turn in the market. Toshi, though, it still does, in my opinion, need Ethereum to start trending in the right direction, getting back at least over that like 3,500 to 3,600 range, right? I think would be very, very beneficial for, you know, altcoins in general, and coins and meme coins that we do even talk about on this channel, like Turbo, and then of course the Toshi token. But nonetheless, the big news in this video is that Toshi is now on Kraken, which I think we can all agree is considered a tier 1 exchange. In my opinion, is definitely a tier 1 exchange. Kraken is listed Toshi, and this is again just another catalyst in the overall roadmap and in the progress for Toshi token. I think you know, they've tried really hard to get these listings, exchange listings, and they've had really, really strong success with it. Obviously, getting Coinbase and Kraken relatively early on, right? And when we go back and we talk about the overall potential for Toshi sitting on base, you know, you talk about Coinbase, and base platform trumps Ethereum and user growth and amid strong demand. Coinbase's layer 2 base has experienced significant user growth, adding an average of 1.56 million new users per month. So we're seeing these meme coins that are sitting on top of base right here, top base meme coins by market cap. We're seeing these meme coins, and we're essentially having base do not all the work and not the work, but base growing so rapidly and base still even being in the infant stages obviously help meme coins on Toshi, or sorry, on base, because the people, you know, new users gravitate towards base as a chain, and then they want to they want to be part of these communities, and they want to be a part of these meme coins before they run up, before they reach billions and billions in market cap. And I think that's kind of what we are seeing here with Toshi, right? And the Kraken exchange listing obviously is very, very huge, and again, obviously, in my opinion, should surprise no one that it got the Kraken listing. I think probably Coinbase would, Robinhood would probably be next. But again, shout out to Blake_Berry Hill on Twitter. I wanted to share this tweet. It really kind of, I feel really the same way as Blake_Berry Hill on Twitter. I'll put a link to this tweet in the description. But he talks about here, great point, he stumbled upon mentioning base, onboarding goals, and the idea that our blue cat Toshi is predestined to the face of base due to Brian Armstrong's soft spot for in real life cat. But do you believe base could onboard a significant amount of users, far surpassing the current rate mentioned above? Base leads in layer 2 network 6.7 million active addresses, right? Obviously, if they can 2-3x those amount of users, it would be massive, right? And I think people gravitating towards Toshi, I think people gravitating towards base will naturally gravitate towards Toshi. And I don't think there's gonna be favoritism from Coinbase specifically with Toshi, even, you know, with Brian Armstrong, the founder's cat. But again, there's the correlation, and because memes are so based off hype and narrative, that something like that could possibly happen, where, you know, Brian Armstrong puts a tweet out, you know, mentioning Toshi in it or something like that, that could really send the coin to new levels. But Kraken listing, obviously the big news here, super bullish, remains super bullish here on Toshi, remains super bullish on all base meme coins. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Toshi. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.